Airlines flight from LaGuardia Airport here in New York to Charlotte. Moments after takeoff, a bird strike leading to engine failure, the plane then relying on the other engine for an emergency landing at nearby JFK Airport. Here's Whit Johnson's tonight.
Frightening moments on board an American Airlines flight shortly after takeoff from New York's LaGuardia Airport.
It appears we have an engine failure, but we're still kind of working through to figure out what's going on.
A passenger recording as a bird slams into one of the plane's engines, bursting into flames.
We hit birds on the way out.
Flight 1722, bound for Charlotte last night, had 190 passengers and 6 crew on board.
The plane just immediately started. It was a loud bang, and then the plane just started shaking like crazy. I think everybody on the plane was visibly upset.
The aircraft, powered by its second engine, diverted to nearby JFK Airport, landing safely without injuries. American Airlines saying in a statement, "We are grateful to our crew for their professionalism and apologize to our customers for the inconvenience."
And David, we've seen just how dangerous these bird strikes can be. You'll remember back in 2009, the so-called Miracle on the Hudson. That flight also from LaGuardia to Charlotte, making that now famous emergency landing on the water. This time around, a much safer outcome. The flight rescheduled and then departed this morning. David?
All right.